Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use Multibond gum. Begin by preparing the surface. Clean, dry, and remove old adhesive. Apply a thin bead of Multibond gum evenly along the seam, keeping a steady hand. Press parts together firmly for the recommended setting time and wipe excess before it skins over. Use clamps or weight when possible, and let the joint cure undisturbed on a clean, flat surface for best results. Preparing surfaces is the foundation for a strong bond. Start by sanding glossy areas lightly to create grip, then remove dust with a microfiber cloth. Use isopropyl alcohol for degreasing if needed. Mask adjacent areas to avoid mess. Test fit parts to ensure alignment before adhesive application. Let the area dry fully before applying adhesive and check humidity to ensure optimal curing conditions for a reliable bond. Quick recommendation: if you like following hands-on fixes, a Kindle Paperwhite makes reading manuals and guides easy in any light. It fits in a toolbox bag, holds thousands of pages, and has a glare-free screen for bright workshop conditions. If you're finding this guide helpful, please subscribe and like to support future tutorials. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals, then now let's get back to the video. Apply adhesive carefully for lasting results. Cut the Multibond gum tip at a 45-degree angle for controlled flow, then apply consistent pressure for an even bead. Avoid over-application to prevent squeeze-back and long cleanup. For porous materials, use primer or a second pass after tack time. Clamp or weight the joint during cure to improve contact and reduce gaps for professional finish. Clean tools promptly with recommended solvent to maintain tip function.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.